Alright, we're going to take off this foot pedal safety switch for this 2006 Ford F-150. And as you can see, it is right here, attached to this wire. And it's got only one bolt in it. It's easy to pop that off, disconnect this, pull that out, put the new one in, tighten it up, put the wire back on. That's what we're going to try to do. We'll see if we have any other issues. Alright, to get the wire out, you've got to press that little black line right there with a screwdriver and then pull, and it should pop just like that right off. Then you simply plug that back into the new one. There we go. It's more or less in place. I've got to jiggle it around a little bit. And then just put the screw in the wire. Remember, while you're doing this, you want the emergency brake press so it's out of your way, because that rubber peg right there will push onto part of the switch that activates and make it harder to get it into place. But look right there, we're good to go. Wires in place, bolts in place, switches in place, the pegs in place. We're good to rock and roll. Now just release the brake and put the panel you removed to make it easier to get to the switch part, and you're good to rock and roll. But there we go, all the panels back in place, ready to go, and she works.